Welcome to Elevate PAX. Brand promotion made easy. Display your logo on bulk collections of useful product we hand-picked and bundled together, in what we call our packs. Easy online ordering, 4-week turnaround, free shipping, low minimums, free mockups. Product packs for new hire kits, event swag, brand promo, customer appreciation. Get started in 3 easy steps. First, pick. Each set of packs has a different mixture of products. Within minutes you can pick your product colors, quantity, and upload your logo. Second, approve. Within 24 hours we'll send you free mockups with your logo on all the products in your packs. Pay only once you approve. Third, receive. Once approved, your order gets right into production and will arrive in 3 to 4 weeks. We'll update you as soon as your order ships. Why Elevate PAX? The more packs you order, the cheaper they cost. Save up to 69% ordering bulk. Make your logo visible to the world on products that people will enjoy using for years to come. We scoured thousands of products to narrow down the best quality options, so you didn't have to. Place your order within minutes. It's the fastest task you'll complete all day. When your packs arrive, they'll be ready to hand out, since we neatly organize and assemble your order. Many purposes. New hire kits, client welcome boxes, event swag bags, branded staff gear, and more. Get started today. Free shipping on all orders, and free stickers with every order.